art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bluey. So first let's get started on the right hand side, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big oval for our right eye. And then moving in towards the center, we're going to replicate that shape again. Now let's move across for the nose. We're going to bring this line out to the left, curving that down slightly in the corner. And now continuing to come down, we're going to curve this in on a slight diagonal. And now starting back on the left hand side, let's curve this line around and up towards our eye on the right. Moving in behind on the top now for our left eye, we're going to arch this line around and then back down. And then stepping over to the right hand side, we're going to replicate that shape again. Continuing to close off the mouth from that corner, let's curve this around and through towards the left. Now for the teeth, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down, and then from that point, just curving this back over and across. Now from here underneath, we're going to curve this line out, and now for our tongue, just arching this line down. Let's close off the rest of the mouth now. So we're going to come down on a diagonal, curving this out, around, and then in towards our eye. And then stepping up from our eye, we're going to continue this pattern, curving this out, up, and over towards the top of our nose. We're going to replicate that one more time. So stepping over slightly, we're going to bring this line down, over, and across. And then again, stepping back on this line, we're going to curve this back, around, and out towards the bottom of the mouth. Let's close off our nose now. So on the left-hand side, we're just going to arch this around and then up on the side. Let's move up and draw in Bluey's eyebrows now. So we're going to curve this line around, down, and back in. And then we'll come over on a diagonal on the left, curving this down, around, and back in on the side. Moving across on a diagonal now for her right arm, we're going to draw in a small curved line coming down. We're going to come up on a diagonal, lining that up at the same height, replicating that, bringing that over and in, bending that at the elbow. Let's move underneath, curving this line across for the palm of the hand. And now let's draw in one finger. So we're going to curve this from the bottom, bringing this in towards the top. Let's step across again, drawing in the center finger. And now one last time, we're just going to bring this back around and in towards the top there. And now let's draw in the shape of Bluey's body. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then down. We're going to connect our eyebrows together with a straight line across. Continuing this on the right, bringing this out, curving this down. And then again, we're just going to draw in a nice straight line coming down towards our right arm. And we're essentially just creating a nice big rectangle. Let's move underneath now on our hand, and we're going to bring this line over and out towards the left, curving that up in the corner, ending this so it's at the same height as the line on the top. And then now from here, we're just going to bring this line back up and in towards the bottom of our nose. Let's draw in some of the patterns here. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line down towards our left eye. We'll do the same as we come out and up on the right. Coming underneath our right eye now, let's arch this line over and across. And now behind our right arm, just arching this line over. Now in the center of the body, we're going to bring this line up and flattening that out as we come underneath the mouth. And then we'll continue to extend this over and then back down on the right. Let's draw in Bluey's ears now. So on the right hand side above our eyebrow, we're going to curve this line up, bringing that down on a diagonal. We'll do the same on the left. So we're going to come over on the left hand side of our eyebrow, bringing this line up and then back down, just leaving a gap in the center. Moving in towards the middle of both ears now, we're going to bring this line up, back down on the right. We'll do the same on our right ear. Let's move over and draw in our left arm now. So this one she's going to be waving. So we're going to bring this line out and then up for the top of our arm. And then we're going to follow this across. We're going to bring this line out and then back up again, ending that at the same height. For the thumb, let's curve this around and in. For the first finger, we're going to arch this around and down. Let's do the same in the center. And then again as we move across on the left. Now where the small gap is, we're just going to curve this around and down. And then in the center, we're going to curve this back up towards the top. Closing off the wrist, we're going to arch this line over. And now let's draw in her legs. So coming over on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. We'll do the same as we move across on the right hand side, extending that longer. Let's move over on the left on the inside, drawing in our longer line first, ending that at the same height as the one on the right. And then again, we're going to end this one at the same height for our shorter line. For the foot now, we're going to curve this around and out, connecting those lines together. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now let's close off the ankles by curving a line that comes across, lining it up at the same height on both sides. And then for the toes, we're just going to draw in 2 curved lines coming out to the right of our page. We're just going to do this on both feet. Lastly, let's draw in our tail. So coming underneath from the corner of our leg, we're going to arch this around, back in towards our hand. Stepping across again. Let's arch that up. Let's move up one more time, curving that around and then down. And then again, moving up, just arching that around, down, and then in. Closing off the tail, curving this line down towards the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Bluey. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.